Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY jewelry holder / organizer. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this DIY jewelry box is craft sticks, a hot glue gun, and some type of stone. Let's get started. The first step is to get 4 craft sticks and make a square with them. Like this, and make sure it's straight, like so. And then get your hot glue gun and place hot glue on one of the sticks, and then place your other stick on top, like so, and let it stay there so it cools down. And then do that same thing on the other side. Let's get your hot glue gun, put it on, then get the same bottom stick and place it on evenly. Do that same thing with the top stick. This. Now you should have this square. Now make another layer like so. And now make as many more layers as you want as a border. Now that you have the desired amount of layers, I have done 8 layers, and now I'll be teaching you how to make the lid. And to do so, you will need to get 8 craft sticks and lay them across the top like this. Just like this. And now get your hot glue gun and make a layer on the top like that. And now get another popsicle stick and lay it on top like this. And then do that same thing on the bottom. Get your other popsicle stick and lay it down, just like this, and then take it off and you will have this lid. And now is to hot glue your stone on your lid. So get your hot glue gun, place some hot glue on your stone like that, and place it in the middle. Like that, let it sit a little bit just like that, and now you have your lid. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!